SafetyTac floor tape is quick and easy to install by hand. However, for larger warehouse projects, the SafetyTac industrial applicator can make installation even faster. To load your applicator, remove one of the supply brackets. Then slide the tape onto the supply bar, replace the supply bracket, and adjust to make sure the roll is centered. Make sure the brackets are not too tight so that the roll can spin freely. Thread the tape under the alignment bar and back to the liner take-up bar. Peel the liner from the roll and use the tape to affix it to the take-up bar. The tape will wrap underneath the bar with the adhesive side up. As you pull the tape to the front of the applicator, the liner will begin spooling onto the take-up bar. Bring the tape through the alignment knobs and over the roller wheel. The guides can be adjusted to keep the tape alignment centered. We are now ready to install. As always, make sure to clean your work area of any dirt and debris. Press your SafetyTac to the floor with the rubber application wheel and roll the applicator forward. Installing your SafetyTac is now as easy as pushing your applicator through the warehouse. For more information, visit creativesafetysupply.com or give us a call today.